Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the display section, then go to the wallpaper. You can select one of the live wallpapers if you have one. You can select one of the pre-installed default wallpapers, like these ones. Or you can just set up any other photo which you can select from your gallery and set it as a wallpaper, as I'm going to do. Here you can adjust this image and then just tap here. Then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.